equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this segment, we will explore the warranty process for the Lenovo X1 Carbon, ensuring you understand every step involved. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother. Begin by powering down your Lenovo X1 Carbon and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. Once the panel is off, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Use the soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris from the fans and other components. This is important for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. If you find this task daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in good hands. Next, let's check the warranty status of your Lenovo X1 Carbon. You can do this by visiting the Lenovo support website and entering your device's serial number. This will provide you with information on what is covered under warranty and any specific terms you need to be aware of. If you discover that your device requires repairs, it's essential to understand the process. Lenovo typically requires you to fill out a warranty claim form, which can also be done online. Make sure to provide all necessary details, including a description of the issue and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. You won't have to worry about calls or travel. We handle everything for you. Once your claim is submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates regarding your repair status. It's also a good idea to request a quote before any repairs are carried out, ensuring you are fully informed of any costs involved. In summary, understanding the warranty process for your Lenovo X1 Carbon is crucial for maintaining your device. By following these steps, you can ensure that your laptop remains in top condition. Remember, if you need assistance, we are here to help with our professional services. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.